I'm Jonathan Culpeper, Professor in the Department of Linguistics and English Language at Lancaster University. I'm just going to take a little time to tell you about a webinar I'm doing next week on Wednesday, May the 12th at 2 p.m. It's going to be a whistle-stop tour around issues to do with language change, and in particular how you get to grips with historical texts. I'll talk briefly about reading older texts, but more particularly about analysing them, and also I'll look at external factors which influence those texts themselves and the language in them. I'll spice things up with images of dusty tomes, yes, but also a couple of clips of Kim Jong-un talking, and Donald Trump and other colourful personalities. Anyway, it's next week on Wednesday, May the 12th at 2 p.m. I think you have to register in advance. All the details are on the web page.